Welcome back, YouTube family. Before I begin this new story, remember to hit the notification button, like and subscribe to my channel to view relevant content. And please share with your friends and family as well. Let's get started. Dr. Eamon Sheehan was a New York-based OBGYN who had changed careers. Officially, he became a plastic surgeon. You may be familiar with the 55-year-old doctor. Dr. Sheehan's skills, since he has worked on several celebrities. Dr. Sheehan is well known because he did butt lifts on television. He enhanced the bodies of so many women. These women are reality stars and singers, to name a few. KMichelle is an R&B singer who had very large implants placed in her rear or her butt. Originally, her silicone implants were done through the risky black market. In my opinion, her BBL was very large for her petite body frame. Over a year ago, she had the silicone implants removed. It took 13 surgeries. Renee Graziano from the show Mob Wives had difficulties with her surgeries. She nearly passed away on the operating table with enhancement to her body. However, Nia Lee of Love and Hip Hop New York had her tummy tucked with some liposuction to reduce her rear end or butt. She was so pleased with his work and referred her mother and friends. Even to this day, Nia Lee says that she would recommend his work to every and anyone. Kimbella went under the knife to gain more cleavage or bust, along with a plumper overall body. Tiny Harris from the R&B group Escape had a BBL done. She's had additional surgeries from other doctors, including getting her eye color changed to ice gray in Africa. Oftentimes, celebrities' results are marketed to social media and close circles of people to bring the doctor more clientele. These women are satisfied with the cosmetic procedures. As I mentioned earlier, Dr. Sheehan is nowhere to be found now. He has botched another individual or several individuals, and his medical license is in jeopardy. Recently, Dr. Sheehan has had over 16 allegations of misconduct against him. As a result, his license is revoked in several states. These are the specific locations: New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Connecticut, and California. Another unethical practice that he allowed was approving his nurses to have consultations with his patients regarding the size, products, and types of surgery. Instead, Dr. Sheehan should have been present to advise his patients for pre- and post-surgery care. Although Dr. Sheehan acquired wealthy celebrity patients, he had clientele who were working class too. Unfortunately, each individual that I mentioned are not satisfied customers or patients. These women have gotten botched surgeries. A woman named Carol Robinson invested $14,000. Her money was used towards a breast lift. Laverne Gordon spent $6,000 to have a tummy tuck. Several months later, she still has massive swelling, which hasn't decreased. There's evidence that Dr. Sheehan performed liposuction on a pregnant woman too. At the beginning of the surgery, he requested the woman to take a blood test. Although the blood test results were positive, he still completed the surgery. Both the woman and the doctor are at fault, in my opinion. On April 11, 2014, Dr. Sheehan went forward to do the surgery, removing less than 1 pound of fat on her lower back, inner thighs, and abdomen. The amount of fat he removed did not show any beneficial results of weight loss. And in 2017, a 19-year-old woman named Giselle Torres Figueroa borrowed $10,000 from the bank to get a tummy tuck and butt lift. On Thanksgiving weekend, she traveled from her hometown in Rochester to Dr. Sheehan's Midtown office. Giselle Torres Figueroa experienced immense pain during the entire 3 hours of surgery. Throughout the surgery, she was squirming on the table and crying profusely. Afterwards, Giselle Torres Figueroa could not get out of bed for an entire month. Now she has permanent numbness and burning pain in her lower back, abdomen, and rear end or butt. Overall, he has left more than a dozen women claiming their behinds were badly damaged or botched. YouTube family, in my opinion, I believe Dr. Sheehan purposely removed minimal amounts of fat so his patients would return to him for repeated procedures. In turn, he would earn so much more money. Mind you, when he performed surgeries on common working people, it wasn't done inside an ER room, a medical center, or an accredited medical venue. Dr. Sheehan falsified several medical records, and he did not communicate all the health risks in the procedures. Since 2013, he was sued for malpractice 15 times. He intends to appeal these lawsuits. After all the hazardous procedures and complaints, his medical license was yanked by the state of New York. The State Board for Professional Medical Conduct stated that he is not fit to practice medicine. His license was revoked on January 9, 2023, finally. And currently, Dr. Sheehan has closed his office permanently, and he moved back to his home in Beirut, Lebanon. All of his American patients are still unsatisfied, and the cases are unresolved. He is still practicing cosmetic surgery in Lebanon without any consequences. Please leave your comments below. I would love to hear from all of you. And remember to hit the notification button, like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a million, and stay safe wherever you are.